Would you believe me if I told you that you could make money online by using pictures of cats? Well, it's true. You can actually make money by using any type of picture online using an AI system. I will show you how to do that, and the process is simple and easy to follow. So be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss any important information. Welcome to the Peak Performance channel, the place where you come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online for free with the help of AI bots starting from scratch in 2022. This is a great way for beginners to get started in making money online without any prior experience or investment required. So stay tuned and I'll show you everything you need to know. Before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so that you won't miss a single video. Also, be sure to watch our other videos. There is a software that creates images based off a specific text that you put into it. This AI system creates images and art that look real from the descriptions you enter. For example, a bowl of soup that is a portal to another dimension as digital art. So this AI is called DALL-E 2 and it's available everywhere online. You can access it on any device, whether it's a computer or a smartphone. The pricing is simple. You get charged for each image that you use, but if you want to try it out, they have a free credit system. So you can start using the service for free. Start with $18 and free credit that you can use during the first 3 months. This way you can try it out for 3 months before deciding if you want to continue using it. DALL-E 2 also offers a subscription plan that gives you unlimited access to their AI library and new features. DALL-E 2 is easy to use and intuitive, making it ideal for those who are new to AI or don't have a lot of experience. They also provide tutorials and guides that help you get started quickly, as well as a community forum for support. To sign up for this website, click on the sign up button. Then type in your email address and choose a password. Now you can use the website. Now I'm going to show you how to use this tool to make money online. Now once you sign up, you will be taken to a page where you can put in information. You need to type what you want to see. For example, I put a pencil drawing of a cat with glasses, then I click generate. When I click generate, it showed me 4 images of cats with blue glasses. If I click on one of these cat pictures, it will show me just that one image. If I go to variations, it will show me different versions of that image, so I have more options to choose from. That's how it works. It's easy. You type in words and click generate. Keep in mind that you need to be descriptive to get what you want from the software. But you're probably thinking, how can I make money with this? That's all good and well, but how am I supposed to profit from this? So let me explain how this works by going back to the cat pictures example. What you can actually do is go to a website called Etsy.com and put digital into the search bar. On this website, people sell digital prints like watercolor sketches or wedding ones. There are all different types of prints available on the site. Now, if we search for cat digital prints, we'll get a bit more specific. Here you can see that there are different types of cat digital prints available. If you're thinking, well, how I can actually sell these prints, because I don't have the image or the canvas. You'll be glad to know that there's software that essentially does everything for you. The customer finds your print on Etsy.com or other similar websites, clicks on it and purchases it, and it all gets automatically sent out from the site. The software is called Printful.com, but there are other like Printify as well. In Printful site, if we go to the home and living category under products, we can find custom canvas prints. You can also put pictures on mugs. If we select canvas prints, you have the option of putting your image onto real canvas and they'll all do it for you. You don't need to keep a lot of these in stock and you can link this automatically to your Etsy store. All you have to do is download an image of the canvas from DALL-E 2. You will then Photoshop to put the image onto the canvas so you actually have an example that you can upload, or buy the canvas yourself and get an actual real example. You can go to Printify or Printful, click on products, and select from a range of categories including but not limited to accessories, bags, coffee mugs, etc. Once you've selected your product category and design, these websites will print and ship your personalized products for you. Hey, here's a quick reminder before we continue. Make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so, as it means that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos and it helps our channel. Now, let's get back to the video. After you sign up for Printful, they will ask you to start designing your products. Keep in mind that you won't have to design each product manually. There is a system in place that automates the process. You can upload your artwork or logo, select a product to be printed on, and the system will take care of the rest. You can also customize products by adding text, images, and documents. Once you have finished designing your products, Printful will provide you with a mock-up of the product for you to review and approve. After approval, your products will be ready for printing and shipping. With Printful, you can also customize your own fulfillment process. You can choose to fulfill your orders yourself or outsource the entire process to Printful. The primary way to generate income from this method is by creating images for dogs, cats, cars, any type of animal or things by using the AI software. After having your own design, use Etsy as your primary store to showcase your product and sell them. Use Printful as your printing partner and connect with the customers who are interested in buying your product. You can also create mugs, hats, t-shirts, or any other custom products by customizing them with your own designs at Printful. To summarize, you can make money online by using DALL-E 2 to get images that you want. Be very descriptive when you put in what you want. Then go to Etsy.com and list them on Etsy.com. Use something like Printful to create them and send them to people that purchase products from you. There are many types of products that you could sell from Etsy.com, from phone cases to t-shirts and wall art. Also, you can list the products on multiple sites like Amazon or eBay to earn more profits. You can also set up your own online store and sell your products directly to the customers quickly. Finally, market and promote your products. Use social media platforms, create a website or blog, or use paid advertising to reach more people and get more sales. This approach is a way that's great to make a passive income. With the right strategies, you can make more money and increase your profits. Thank you for being all ears throughout the entire video. To create this effort to copy is genius by Albert Einstein. If you want to expand your income by building your online income, feel free to contact me, so we'll get things moving right away. Remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together, or you need to make a change.